Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to focus on solving algebraic fractions. Our inquiry question is to add or subtract algebraic fractions by identifying the common denominators and then solve them. We're particularly going to focus on how we can solve them after adding or subtracting. As we know earlier, simplifying is to remove any redundant parts of an expression by dividing the common factor. Let's start with some of the algebraic steps. These are some of the steps where or some of the common misconceptions occurred in the previous assigned tasks. So I want to actually make it very clear and address those misconceptions. Here we have 40 take where x over 3 is equal to x plus 4. I've seen some of the students adding x on both sides would provide us 40 over 3, which is equal to 2x plus 4. This is incorrect because this x is divided by 3, hence we cannot add x's on both sides. Now, the next question, 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2x equal to 3x minus 2. Some of the students could add 2x on both sides to get 5x. This is incorrect because 2 has to be multiplied with every single term in the brackets, which gives us 4x rather than just 2x. Finally, x could be added on both sides, which gives us square root of 2, which is equal to 3x plus 3. Also, this is incorrect because x has to be square rooted first before adding or subtracting. Finally, we could, some of the students have divided by b on both sides. Sorry, some students have divided by a on both sides to get a over b, so ab over b. You may notice this is adding rather than multiplying, hence we cannot divide by a on both sides. So this is incorrect. Let's look at a first question. 8 over x squared plus 4 over x equal to 4. Remember, we are adding those two algebraic fractions as mentioned in the previous lesson. Once added, we are converting the algebraic fraction into an equation as that's equal to 4. And once converted into equation, we are solving them to find the values of x. Let's see in a little more detail. Here, the denominator is x squared on x, but multiplying by x on both sides, we would get 8 plus 4x, which is equal to 4 multiplied by x squared. Because divided by x squared is multiplied by x squared on the other side using the inverse operation. Now dividing it by 4, as 4 is the common factor, we get 2 plus x equal to x squared. Remember, when you get x squared, it's important you convert this equation into quadratic format. X squared minus x minus 2, by moving the 2 and the x on the other side of the equation. We get x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Factorizing it, we get x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 is equal to 0, which means x is either equal to minus 1, because minus 1 plus 1 provides a 0, or x equal to 2, because 2 take away 2 would be equal to 0. Now let's look at another example. Here we have x over 2x minus 3 plus 4 over x plus 1 equal to 1. Let's see how we can solve them. Here the denominators are different. To get the common denominator, we multiply the first fraction by x plus 1 and the next fraction by 2x minus 3. Expanding the brackets and adding it, we get x squared plus 9x minus 12 over 2x minus 3 times x plus 1 equal to 1. Moving the multiplying by 2x minus 3 and also x plus 1 on both sides, we get x squared plus 9x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 1. Expanding the brackets would give us 2x squared minus x minus 3. Now getting into quadratic format by subtracting x squared on both sides, 9x on both sides, and adding 12 on both sides to get one part of the equation equal to 0. We get x squared minus 10x plus 9 equal to 0. Factorized gives us x minus 1, x minus 9 equal to 0, which means x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 1. Here are few other examples. Please you choose one of the question, use a piece of paper or your exercise book and attempt the question. Press pause and complete the question on a piece of paper or exercise book and then press play to verify your answer. Press pause now. Here are the answers. You may also find these answers in slide 6 for your reference. Now I would like you to practice 5 questions in your exercise book or on a piece of paper. Questions are color coded based on the difficulty level. Reds are of grade 6, the amber ones are grade 6 to 7, and the green would be grade 7 plus. Once completed, please go to slide 7 in this Google slide to check your answer by clicking on the question mark. Once completed, you need to open the worksheet, say solving algebraic fractions worksheet, and then start answering the question. It's important you type in the answer below each question. Make sure you show all the working out. The questions are provided here. The extension question starts from question 6. I've also attached a YouTube video for your reference if you're not sure. Also, you can ask me any question in the comment section. Good luck.